Yunika. My name is Yunika. I am a unicorn made of light. You cannot see me with your eyes, but you can do so with your heart. Because I come from the world of rainbows. And do you know how I got here? Through our rainbow gate, which appears in the sky every time raindrops dance with rays of light. Why don't you join me? I'd like to show you something. Can you see the clouds over there? Look at what my friends and I can make out of them. A mommy cat cuddling her little kitten. Isn't it cute? And do you know why this butterfly dances so lightly on the wind? I'm playing catch with him. Come and join us, and we'll chase his shadows together. When you are feeling blue, come with me to the sea. Then I will show you shells which tell stories about the oceans and which sparkle in all colors of the rainbow. If you are weary and need to rest at the roadside, do you know what I'll do so that you feel fresh again and full of new energy? I'll blow softly into the long grasses along the way so that they dance elegantly with the wind, whispering a heavenly melody into your ear. And when you cannot fall asleep in the evening, close your eyes and think of me. Then I will come to you and let you climb on my back. And I will take you with me into the world of rainbows, which grows deep down in your heart.